Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More, coming through with this week's 20 plus 1 savings challenge. It is week 10. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. I appreciate you guys coming through. So, as you could tell by the thumbnail, in the pretty little pouch, which by the way can be picked up on Pandi's Hair Candy and More Teespring, link is in the description. It is time for this week's savings. So let me tell you a little bit about the 20 plus 1 savings challenge for those of you who may not be familiar. This challenge was created and inspired by East Media with BG. East Media with BG is a cool brother who got a nice channel whose link is also in the description box of this video. He has been over there sharing different tips and hacks on how you can basically get to the bag in more ways than one. And one of them that actually piqued my interest when I saw his video drop a couple of months ago was the 20 plus 1 savings challenge. So the idea was you would start saving cash with $20 plus $1. Okay, a total of $21. Each week you would gradually increase the amount that you're saving by an additional $1. Okay, so you would start off week 1 with $21, then start off week 2 with $22, then week 3 with $23, and so on and so on and so on. Now, the beautiful thing about this is because this is something that you're doing for your own self, okay? This is a self-paced challenge. If you don't have the financial capability to come in and start off with $21, he suggested starting off with $1, starting off with $5, $10, whatever your comfort level was, but just to get out there and start. Now, for me, I'm one of those people that I've always had it made up in my mind, I can't really do no savings because, man, every dollar is accounted for. Every penny is accounted for. I can't really pull out no money and save. And it wasn't so much that I couldn't, but mentally, I hadn't wrapped my mind around being able to sacrifice somewhere to do it. And plus, I lived off the plastic. It was like insert, swipe, insert, swipe. I just never really had no cash, so I just couldn't visually and mentally see myself doing it. I keep adjusting these shades, y'all. My son got these for me for Mother's Day, so I'm rocking them today. So anyhow, I'm now in week 10. I've been participating in this challenge, and I try to do it on Saturday or Sunday, depending on which day I get around to it and get the upload out sometime on the weekend, because I want to keep the people that have said down in the comments, oh, I think I'm going to start this. Oh, that's really cool that you're doing it. And I've been getting so many wonderful positive comments as you all are watching my progress that I want to try to remain as consistent as possible. So I'm here today to do week 10's deposit. So this is week 10 for me. So I am coming on with my 20 plus 10. Okay, there's the Coindellas. $30, okay? There's been a couple of times that I have put extra in when I didn't have change or whatnot. Also, in the effort, it's my little note where I write down everything I put in there because your girl's of a particular age, but in the effort of full transparency, I don't want nobody to ever be like, man, she's faking, she ain't really saving no money, she ain't depositing no money, she's just playing with the money in the bag. No, I wouldn't cheat myself like that, or y'all, okay? So there is the savings right there in the bag, okay? And this is what's going in the bag today. So, let me pull everything out. See that? Bam. Bam. This is what's going in there today. This is what I've been saving. Okay? Alright, so I'm setting that down. There's my 20 plus 10. I'm grabbing the big stack, okay? I'm putting that 20 on top with the other 20s, and let me go in the middle. It's just easier for me to count that way. Sticking my 10 in with the other 10s, okay? So it feels so good, y'all, because A, I didn't think I could do it. And I'm seeing progress, and I'm surprised. And I'm really surprised that I haven't been like, and yesterday I was so tempted. Let me tell you, I ran out of coffee and sugar at home yesterday, which is Saturday. And I was like, dang, I ain't got no cash. I need to run to the store, get some coffee and some sugar for in the morning, this morning. Well, I didn't want to swipe my card for that, but I didn't want to go in this money. So guess what? I didn't have no coffee this morning. I didn't have no coffee this morning, y'all. So anyway, it was a sacrifice, but I'm trying so hard not to ever go into this money. Let's count it up and see what progress we've made. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 59, 259. Now, I'm going to count it one more time just because. I'm going to make sure I didn't make no mistake. Because I tend to get a different number on the second count. I don't know why. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay? 20, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 59. All right, $259. Not bad. Not bad at all. I will take it. And let me write that down on my little sheet. And it's an odd number, y'all, because there's been times where, like, I didn't have exact change and I added, like, say I was supposed to deposit 22, but I put 25. Last week I was supposed to deposit 29, but I put 30. You know, so stuff like that. All right, 259. So, I am hoping that if you guys are taking part in this challenge, that you guys are enjoying it. I'm enjoying the discipline because, like I said, I didn't think that I would be capable of doing it, starting it, and sticking to it. And I have a goal in mind. Like, I know that I want to get into investments. I have been trying to get into Robinhood, but as I explained, I decided to take a look at Robinhood back in 2019, and I created a profile, but I never went through with opening it. Like, when it got to the banking information part, I got scared, I got spooked, and so I backed away. So I never actually created the profile or was active in the profile. So now when I try to take advantage of East Media with BG's referral code link to get the free stocks and everything, it won't allow me because it associates my email with having a previous account. And then I even tried to go to my backup email and do it, but then it still associated my legal name with already having an account. Now, because I wanted East Media to get the credit, I even went as far as to reach out to Robinhood via Contact Us, the support tab feature, and explain to them what was going on to see if maybe they could unlock me some kind of way. I have never heard anything back, so I don't know if me and Robinhood is gonna ever be able to make it happen. In the meantime, my son, my oldest son, who is doing quite well with stocks and investments, have actually turned me on to Webull. And I know he recently sent me his link. Similar type brokerage firm, offers free stocks for coming on for the person who refers you. So I'll probably end up having to go with that just because I seem to be blocked from actually getting into Robinhood. But nevertheless, that's my purpose for doing this. When I get a nice stack in there that I can go ahead and throw in there, I want to go ahead and jump full speed ahead in there and have a little bit of money to work with. When I do that, I am going to restart this challenge all over again. And 9 times out of 10, I'm going to go ahead and vlog about it here on the channel. So I hope that you guys are enjoying this weekly savings challenge. I hope that you guys are actually participating, be it the 20+1. If you want to do more than that or less than that, it's totally up to you as long as you are starting and sticking with it. Be sure to drop down in the comments below and let me know what's on your mind. What are your thoughts? I'm always interested in your feedback. And if you are really enjoying this series, please don't forget to blow dry on my like button. It really helps out with my analytics here on YouTube. And if you are not already family, go ahead and subscribe. It is free 99. It doesn't cost you anything. That way you ensure to get all of the notifications each and every time that new content is uploaded to the channel. All right. Now, until next time, you all stay safe, stay encouraged, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.